In this video, I want to talk a little bit about myself. Again, my name is Chaudhari and I'm an entrepreneur from Berlin, Germany. Now, I really want you to trust me. That's why I want to show you my background and I want to give you some information about me. Afterwards, I want you to do one thing, and actually I will make another video about that, but I want you to go in the Udemy Q&A section and just simply tell me where are you from and why you're taking this course. So I really want to build a connection with you and all of the other people here in this course, because I think we should also track ourselves. We should help ourselves in order to just simply have a better sleep at some point. So in this course you will get all the tools, but I want you and the other people here in this course to build a community, to exchange ideas and to just simply support each other. But now I want to give you a couple information about me. Again, my name is Chaudhari. I'm an award-winning inventor, I'm a physicist and entrepreneur. I started my career at the age of 14 at the Free University of Berlin, and at that time I was only, 14 years old. And I became obsessed with the idea of hacking the body. At that time I also had big sleeping problems, and I had to come up with a way so I could become super productive at daytime but still sleep very well at night. And the problem was I couldn't sleep, and that's why I was not productive, and I was worrying about my future, and I thought, what would I do? What will I do if I just simply cannot sleep, perhaps for the rest of my life? Of course, I knew that this thought was kind of, unnecessary, but when you are in such a situation, you cannot sleep, you want to do something about it, and you cannot explain to yourself why you're not able to sleep. Now, I became obsessed with the idea of hacking my own body, and also came obsessed with the idea of wanting to know how to sleep better. And actually it took me now over 5 years to gather all of these information in order to put them into one course here on Udemy. So I'm very excited to teach this course, and I will show you all of the things that I did research on for the last 5 years of my life. Actually, at the age of 17, I got my PhD offered from the Charité here in Berlin, which is like a very, very trusted and prestigious, part of university kind of hospital. And they actually offered me my PhD at the age of 17, but I declined the PhD because, to be honest, I was just simply too busy and didn't have the time to write it. Now I'm currently 19 years old, and in the last couple of years I already traveled the world. I lived in China, lived in the United States, lived in Germany, and wrote a book about it called A Broad Bible. So I also gave speeches all over the world, most of the time about entrepreneurship, productivity, but actually I gave one speech that was very exciting for me about sleep in China, because in China many people have problems with their sleep, and in China you're probably more obsessed with the idea of doing better, feeling better than we are here in Europe or in the West, as probably many of you will see it because you're probably not from Europe anyway. But so many people in China actually are very obsessed with the idea of wanting to know how to sleep better. And in China I learned a lot about sleep, and I want to give you all of the things that I learned in China. So now I'm currently managing a business that is called Teaching Hero. I'm the CEO and founder of that business. We are currently active in 135 countries, and we are teaching students online. Now, we currently have over 12,000 students, and it just makes me very happy to teach people, and that's why I love to create Udemy courses. Now, the problem is currently that I am very, very busy, and for me it is again difficult to sleep. And for many other people who would be as busy as I am, they would be like extremely obsessed with the idea of wanting to sleep because of all the stress and all the hard work. You sometimes have big problems to sleep, because I have my problems and I think about them at night. But now, over the last couple of years, I was able to find out certain methods which helped me to find to bed, first of all, earlier, and also just simply to increase the efficiency of my sleep. And I want to teach you that here in this course. And I live by a very simple quote, the better you sleep, the better you live. And that is really how my life can be described. Because in the last couple of years, whenever I was not able to sleep, I wasn't like able to live, because I didn't really feel happy. I was not productive. I simply felt like it's like you're drowning a little bit, and I just felt terrible. So I really live by that quote, the better you sleep, the better you live. And I think many of you hopefully will also live by that quote, because for me sleep is very, very important, and I just simply want to show you how to make your sleep better. So if there's anything you would like to know, you can text me at any given time. I'm really excited about every question. The only thing that you have to do is just simply go to the Udemy Q&A section and to ask me the question.